Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch National Skill Development Mission in New Delhi tomorrow. Prime Minister will also unveil new National Policy for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015 and roll out Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Under this scheme, 24 lakh youth will be trained in the next 1 year. In IPL spot fixing case, Supreme Court panel headed by retired Justice Lodha today suspended Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals for 2 years from IPL. Supreme Court panel also suspended Gurunath Meyyappan and Raj Kundra for life from all cricket-related activities. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi condoled the loss of lives and discussed the situation with Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister on phone. India will go by the joint statement issued after UFA talks between Prime Ministers Narendra Modi and Nawaz Sharif, and remarks by Sartaj Aziz will not affect the road for engagement agreed to by the two leaders. Sources say that Aziz did not say anything which affected the actionable propositions agreed upon during the talks between Prime Minister Modi and his Pakistani counterpart Nawaz Sharif in UFA last week on the sidelines of the SCO summit, and his remarks were ostensibly aimed at domestic audience. Prime Minister Narendra Modi returns home after concluding a very successful 8-day hectic tour of Russia and all the 5 countries of Central Asia. A number of agreements, especially in the areas of security, office of activist Teesta Setalvad, who has been accused of illegally receiving funds from abroad. A team of 16 CBI officers carried out the raids in Mumbai. Last week, the CBI registered a case against Ms. Setalvad and her organisation, Sabrang, for alleged violation of the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act in receiving funds from abroad without seeking the Home Ministry's permission. Union Minister for Railways Suresh Prabhu inaugurated new rail connectivity between Gandhidham in Kutch district of Gujarat and port of Tunak Tekra by flagging off a goods train. The railway line is the first non-government railway project of Indian Railways under NGR policy 2012. It is a 17 kilometers long project which costs around 185 crore rupees. Major traffic from the port will be coal and fertilizers. Provide easy journey for devotees of Lord Jagannath to attend Nava Kalebra Rath Yatra. The East Coast Railways has decided to run special trains to Puri on 18th of July. The special trains would also be available on Badura, that is Return Car Festival, on July 26, and on Sunabesa, that is Lord's Golden Attire on Chariots Festival on July 27. Iran and 6 major powers have reached a historic nuclear deal which will grant Tehran sanctions relief in exchange for curbs on its nuclear program as a result of revenue and liberalize the labour market.